Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix spelling errors for YouTube video auto caption text. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and select a particular video that you want to use. So right here, I'm going to use this particular video right here. So the video can be published video or video unlisted. You can use that. You can use any of the video to do that. So once you select a particular video you want to use, I'm using this particular video right here. The next thing you want to do is to click on this pencil icon and it takes you to your video detail right here. Next thing you want to do is to come to the sidebar right here and then make sure you scroll down right here. Scroll down until you get to languages right here. Click on languages. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on edit subtitles right here. Click on edit subtitles. Then in a few seconds, it's going to load up right here, whereby you have all the auto caption generated text right here. Now, what we want to do right next here is to make sure we go ahead and click on edit timings. Then you have it step by step auto caption, just like what you see right here. Okay. Then you can scroll down and review everything and check on the proper spelling when you are trying to create a video. So welcome back to this video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead. So that is the first part. So if I play it, let's find out. Welcome back to this video. The very first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up our. So just like so, just go ahead and make sure you check on every spelling error. So if you find out that there is something that you are not saying somewhere, and what you need to do is to go ahead and correct the spelling. Okay, so just have to take your time and review everything. So once you are sure of everything right here, so you can see this is how it's going to be displayed on your video. So right here, so you can decide to delete some parts if you don't want some parts of the auto generation to be appear on a video or your video. You can decide to just select on that particular part you want to delete and hit on this particular trash bin icon right here. Just hit on that. It will delete that part of translation on your video. Once you are done with your editing, next thing you want to do is to click on publish right here. And it's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about YouTube topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.